Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to discuss some questions on common errors. This lecture is brought to you by Team Anuj Jindal. So let's move on to our first question. So, what do we have to do in common errors? We're basically given a sentence with an error, and all we have to do is to identify that error. Is it in part 1, part 2, part 3, or part 4? And if there is no error, we'll simply choose part 5, which says no error. So, the first sentence is, why were you arrested and how was you treated in jail? The error here is in third part of the sentence. Why? Because the subject is you, and with I, we, you and they we use were, but with he, she, it or any name we use was. Even in first part of the sentence you will see it's why were you, not why was you. Similarly in third part also it should be how were you. So the error is in part 3 of the sentence, and the correct sentence would read as, why were you arrested and how were you treated in jail? Let's move on to our second question, which reads as, obese people without an overt manifestation of heart disease experience silent cardiac damage. The error here is in fourth part of the sentence. Why? Because these are three consecutive nouns, but silence here is used as an adjective which is describing cardiac damage, as in what kind of cardiac damage is it. However, the problem is that silence is an abstract noun, it's not an adjective. So we need to use the adjective form of this word, which is silent. So the correct word here will be silent. The correct sentence now would read as, obese people without an overt manifestation of heart disease experience silent cardiac damage. So the error is in part 4 of the sentence.